Come on, a big one.
Horned on us, come back out, and we still waxing them, baby.
Big bass, big bass.
Oh, don't lock. Oh, come on, let's land this. Let's land this. This may be Lachlan's personal best on camera live. What's up?
What's up, guys?
Ooh. Oh, it's gonna be a day. Got my boys out here with me today.
It's time.
This is our little honey hole. Locke's never been. We're probably gonna wax them, but it's a little old secret hole. Gonna throw a lot of stuff today, but we've been doing a lot of work on this lake, and it's been a while since I fished it, so I'm looking forward to seeing how the fish are looking. I want that thunder and lightning to stay over there. That's no bueno. But we're gonna try to go catch them. I'm about to grab Bryant from the dock. And what you think, Locke?
I'm excited.
So Locke's been waiting for a long time to fish this lake. Catch me. Catch me. Long time.
Where's that line?
Woo! That was smuggly lightning right there, boys. Stay over there. Locke's been waiting a long time to fish this lake, and I hope we wax him. All he's ever got to do is hear about how amazing it is, and we're gonna see what it has for us today. So we're gonna get going, and let's see if we can wear them out. Like, I'm talking about 100 fish day, and I want to catch a big. Like, I want the boys to catch like a 7 or 8. I'm going over to a place where they saw a 10 or 12.
I'm gonna try to catch my BP.
Yeah, I'm gonna go try to catch a 10 or 12. That's right. Let's see what happens.
Catch my BP.
Oh, Locke's gonna try to get his BP today. All right, Locke got the first fish of the day. I'm over here trying to figure out how to turn my trolling motor on. I don't know. What's she looking like? Oh yeah, 1 down.
Go.
99 to go. Remember, if something's not working, don't just keep jerking.
Number 2.
Let's do it.
Let's go, boys. Number 2.
I just heard it and felt it.
I didn't hear it. That's a smaller one.
Yeah, in the box. Woo! Let's go, baby. I don't know how many we got. Oh, it is a giant. It's a big one. A really big one. Come on, rookie. Oh, that was miserable.
Got him.
It was like our first day fishing. Sit there.
Set the rod down.
That'd probably be a good idea. Yeah, camera's on.
Let's go. We got a giant. Just telling you.
Look, David, Rod's Lock.
He said throw him back.
We didn't get a picture.
Well, that's what I was worried.
It's fun, man. It's fun. Oh,
Triple up. Triple up.
Hey, we got Lachlan got one. Oh wait, Quattro up.
Quattro.
Quattro.
Take the picture.
The camera. Get him in here. Oh.
Quattro.
Come on, Lach. Get up here.
40 times. That's epic.
Oh, come on. Triple up again.
No, Quattro. No, 5.
Oh, that lost his.
Where to cast? Where to cast? Where to cast? Where to cast?
Oh, that one. The boxer.
Right in front of what?
Oh, and I got it off. Bro, that was like same timing.
Where they at? Where they at?
Right here. Everywhere. Dad. Oh, one just tried to eat me after those. Yep, there he is. No, I thought I saw him.
Horned on us, come back out, and we still waxing them, baby.
Oh my, that was so cool.
Come on, a big one.
A big one.
Oh, it was a big one.
So tired.
Oh, yeah, I got one.
Please. That thing was, that's at least 4 pounds.
It was a 4-pounder.
What is that, bass?
Crappie.
Oh my, big bass, big bass.
Oh, don't reel it all the way up, Doc.
Rescue ground. We've been wearing them out all day. We're about to put it on the trailer. The boys are fighting me. They're gonna go all day long, all night long. We probably only got about 40 minutes for light, but we got to get the boat on the trailer, get it cleaned up. We took out a bunch of fish today. We're gonna count them. Lachlan's still setting hooks. We're gonna count them and weigh them, and then let the lake manager know what we did. It's been an ongoing heavy effort to take a bunch of fish. I was like, amazing fishery, 100 fish day every day. And but we're trying to decrease the amount of mouths and increase the size. There's some big ones in here. Our biggest one today was 6'1", but I've caught many 8s and 9s, 7s, 8s, 9s. Lost a 10. Locke almost had his BP, probably over 4. Came off right at the boat. I was so sad for him. Locke, oh, come on, let's land this. Let's land this. This may be Lachlan's personal best on camera live. Don't get too excited. Don't get too excited. Just no. Keep him down. Keep him down. Oh my, he's swirling like he's a dude. He's swirling like he's a dude. Keep him down. Don't reel him all the way up like you like to. Don't. Whoa. Slow down. Slow down. Yeah, you can wear him out. You can wear him out. Just easy, Locke, easy. Oh, please land that fish. Please land that fish, Bryant. Come on, man. That's Locke's best.
Got him.
You got him.
Got him.
Let's go.
Go.
Let's go. Lachlan's new personal best. On camera while we're filming. That's so awesome. Oh, let's go.
Oh my.
Look at it. Oh, hold it, man. Don't drop it. I hate a duck.
Yeah, he has a duck in his mouth.
Oh my God, his mouth's full of feathers. Oh my God, he ate a little duck. Look. What we got?
446.
446. That's so awesome. I can't believe we just did that while we were closing. Lower it down. Ah, that's so good, dude.
He has a duck.
Oh my, you know, he's got a duck in his mouth. He got duck feathers. All right, let's let it go. What a great way to end the day. I cannot believe he caught his personal best after we've tried all day. We were hoping today would be his day. He would catch a 4 or 5 pounder, and we're literally about to put it up, and he catches it while I'm filming. That's so good. Thank you, Lord. That's awesome. What a day. So basically me and Locke whipped Bryant today on size, but
What? I caught like 3.
Bryant did catch a bunch today, but that's so awesome, Locke. Hey, we're gonna get cleaned up and we're gonna get it on the boat and we're gonna hit the road. But what an amazing day, guys. What an amazing day. Oh God, so excited for you right there, dude. All right.
See you later, guys. Pound it.